This video talks about the Python course basic level. Before going to the Python, let us see the introduction to Python. What is Python? What happened in Python? Python is nothing but simple, general purpose, high level and object oriented programming language. Why Python is simple language? Because it is the program language is written in English and it is one of the general purpose language. And why it is called high level language? It supports advanced topics related to Java and .NET. Everything will be supported. That's why it is termed as high level language. And next one is object oriented programming language. Python is nothing but highly object oriented programming language because it supports a number of objects and the classes. And Python is nothing but interpreted scripting language. Why it is called scripting language? Because it supports the JavaScripts. Number of the scripts will be provided, and Python language is written in English language. Python was developed by Guido van Rossum in the year 1989. This is very important to learn Guido van Rossum in the year 1989. And he is known as the founder of Python programming. So from 1918 and 1800s, Python was developed and it was written in scripting language, nothing but simple English language. And what is Python? Python is what we discussed about is general purpose dynamic high level interpreted programming language. What is interpreted programming language? Because whatever we write code, it will be compiled line by line. That is called interpreted. But compiler talks about entire thing will be displayed and supports a number of object-oriented programming approach to develop applications. It is simple and easy to learn and provides lots of high-level data structures. It also supports the high-level data structures like stack, queue, linked list. That type of things will be supported in Python. And Python is very easy to learn. And it is already, and I told about scripting language. It supports the high-level scripting language, which is attractive for application development. And Python's what is application? Which type of application is developed for Python? Any scripting language, any script to display on the web. And Python syntax is very easy. It is written in English language and it supports multiple programming pattern like object-oriented, imperative, and functional or procedural programming styles. Every program will be constructed in some procedure relay because whatever we write program in complex way, it is very difficult to understand also. That's why we consider number of functions or certain procedures, and it is also applicable to the three-dimensional and CAD type of thing. That's why it is applicable to web programming. And Python development is also very fast and easy, and there is no comparison with Python development. That's why Python program is very simple and development also very easy and fast. Next, coming to the Python features. What are the important features? To learn any programming language, we need to observe some features. For example, if you go to the mobile shop and choose one piece, which one is good and which one is here, the one which is having a high price will have definitely more features. The one which is having less cost will have less features. That we already know. That's why whenever we have to choose anything, we have to choose which one having best feature. Then only we have to choose. Here, example is Python. He is having the best features. First feature is it is easy to learn and use, and is developer friendly and high level programming language. Why it is easy to learn and use? Because it uses the English language and the syntax is also very easy and is very easy to use. It is also developer friendly and high level programming language. Python is nothing but expressive language. Python language is more expressive because it is more understandable. Why we are writing in scripting language and moreover we are using the syntax of English language. And next one is interpreted language. Interpreter means we compile line by line instead of all at a time. That is also great advantage to the Python feature, and it is very well suitable for the beginners. And this makes the debugging very easy. What is cross-platform language? Example of cross-platform language are Windows, Linux, Unix, and macOS. Why these platforms are chosen here? Because Python is supported in Linux, Unix also by supporting some commands. In Windows, anyway, Python tool will be there. We are using 3.8 tool. So we can say that Python is a portable language. We are dependent on the different platforms, and Python is a free and open source. Why? Because software is available in different parts. That's why it is freely available at official web address python.org. That is the web address, and it is available, and it is also open source. Anyone can download. It is not a licensed one. It is a free version. Object-oriented language. Python supports object-oriented language and concepts of classes and objects come into existence. Here, different classes and objects integrate together to support highly object-oriented language. So, number of classes and objects will be supported, and it is extensible. It takes from the base from C++ to compile the code and can be used further in our Python code. If you learn C language and C++, it is also very great benefit to the other programming language. However, Python language can be used in written in English language. And large standard library. Python supports high large standard library because whenever any program is developed, it is take the reference from the library function, because in library number of modules and functions are there, and some application will be developed for the program Python, and it is a large and broad library, and it provides a rich of modules and functions. Very large programs are there. What will do? You cannot understand. So for this reason, you divide that program into sub modules and also functions. Already you know function, a piece of code that executes a specific task, and entire program is there all at a time. Is it looks cumbersome, and you divide the program into module and functions to support the programming easy, that is located in standard library of Python. And GUI means graphical user interface. Every programming should work on certain interface, and certain user interface can be supported using Python. That's why GUI programming support is very much essential in Python. At last, integrated. Whatever we develop program in Python, it will be integrated with other programming languages like C, C++, Java, one of the programming standard programming language. However, Java is also purely object-oriented programming language. Coming to the history, how Python came into existence. Now you need to note this point. Python laid its foundation in the late 1980s. In between 1980s, so many developments came into existence. But at last, in the year 1989 December, Guido van Rossum has developed the Python at CWA in Netherlands. CWA is one of the institutes that is located in Netherlands. After 1989 also some more developments is there. Like in February 1991, he published the code to other sources. In 1994, Python 1.0 version was released with new features like lambda, map, filter, and reduce. And Python's second feature also had new features like list comprehensions, garbage collection system. And in 2008, Python third version there's whenever years passing, versions also upgrading. So Python third version was released. Currently we are in third version and 3.1, 3.2. After 2000 there's so many things happened, and finally in the year 2020 we are in the 3.8 version, and some more some more developments were going. It was able to reach fourth version also. And ABC programming is a predecessor of Python language, where it can handle exception handling and interfacing with Amoeba operating system, that is ABC programming language. Python is influenced by other following program language. It follows the these two, ABC language and Modular 3. What are the applications can be done? Is one of the important practical related. We need to focus on this. Python application can be done in web application. In web, you may be knowing so many things: HTML, XML, JSON, email processing, Django, and some developments like Python wiki engines, Roku, Python blog software. These are completely dependent on the web application only. Is Python development can be taken based on the web application, and next one is desktop GUI application. So graphical user interface is also taken highest priority to work on the platform, and for this these are the names of the library, and multi-touch applications. So that there's nothing but names. No need to understand, just know the name, that's it. And software development, already you know what is software, set of instructions to execute a specific task. Some development can be done by development team, and it also work as a support language, and it can be used for build, control and management testing. Take one example. Suppose if you want to go to the software team company, manager will give you certain instructions, and you need to. So manager will give in certain requirements, and you need to understand the requirements, analyze the requirements, and you need to implement the code. And after that, you need to test that one, and finally, you need to deliver the product. So this type of steps can be supported in software development, and testing is very much essential in order to detect errors enough whenever you want to submit that to the client. So for this reason, control and management is also essential. Who will control everything? Management team, and not only management, developer also should control that one, because it should be free from errors whenever you need to submit to client. That is an essential point. And next one is scientific and numeric. Python can be supported scientific field and numeric field also. Like so many library and packages like SCI, Pandas, IPython. These are group of packages, nothing but whatever I mentioned here. These are nothing but group of packages. This can be supported in engineering, science, and mathematics. And it also can enhance business applications. So many business applications came into existence in market. So many are there. You need to conduct business, and you need to market the field, and by advertising your product. And for this reason, enterprise resource planning, e-commerce system, Triton. Triton is one of the name. Is a high-level application platform, and this type of things should be known whenever you are deploying in business scenario. And next one is console based application. What is console? It is one of the black screen where you button terminal on the terminal we can execute. For example, you you are writing Java, when you are opening the command prompt, that is also console based application only. We are executing the code, and in this scenario, Python can be developed to support console based applications. One best example is IPython. For example, here I am using the software called Python 3.8. You need to install, where it is available in internet also. You need to open like this. Just 1 2 minutes it will come. Now it came. This is nothing but entire thing is called shell. This is called IPython only, because it is one of the console based application only. Where we will execute all commands in Python. Those who don't have any knowledge on Python, this is the best video to know awareness on Python. Python is very very important in the market, and it can be supported console based application. Not only text, it can support audio video based applications, and it is awesome to perform multiple tasks and can be used to develop multimedia applications. When example of multimedia applications are team player, C play, VLC player, and these are the things to support audio or video based applications. And it can be enhanced to the 3D CAD applications like Fandango. It is one of the best real application which provides full features of CAD, and it can be supported in enterprise applications also. It can be used to create applications which can be used within an enterprise. Enterprises can organization will come. Organization means one team. It can be internal or external, private or public organization. Anything can come into this picture, and some real-time applications can come into this scenario like Open ERP, enterprise resource planning. Triton is I already told high level. Triton is a high-level application platform, and Piccolo, that's the name of the application. And also images, audio, video, images also can take into picture in Python, like applications you can develop is in VPython, Go, IMGC. These are the important things you need to know this one. And keep watching on this video very shortly. I'll post some other videos. some practical applications can come into the picture. Those who don't have any knowledge on Python, this is the best example to watch lecture on this. I hope. Thanks for sharing and keep watching. I will upload the shortly other lectures in Python. Gain knowledge and improve your knowledge. If any doubts, you can post comment. I will clarify your doubts.